Welcome to Product 15. This is the Aloe Vera Moisturizing Cream, designed to be uniquely lightweight and completely non-greasy. Beyond its texture, it works to actively protect your skin barrier while delivering a deep infusion of natural oils and vitamins. Because of this balanced profile, you can safely apply this formulation to absolutely all skin types. To achieve these specific protective and hydrating qualities, we have to follow a very precise manufacturing protocol. We will be using the standard home-based business formulation, scaling our ingredients to yield exactly a 1 kilogram batch. Looking at the top of our formulation table, you'll see our primary hydration agents, exactly 500 grams of clear inner aloe vera gel and 298 grams of distilled water. Moving down the list, we measure out our structural emulsifiers and emollients to soften the skin, including caprylic triglyceride, cetearyl alcohol, glycerol stearate, and sweet almond oil. Finally, at the bottom of the table, we carefully weigh the remaining trace elements, active vitamins, preservatives, and exactly 0.5 grams of trianolamine to adjust the pH. Over on our equipment checklist, we have 8 mandatory tools required for this blend, ranging from a digital weighing scale to our mixing bowls and funnels. Any deviation from this exact manifest of 14 ingredients and 8 tools will compromise the chemical stability of your final emulsion. At step 1, set a double boiler over low heat to melt the emulsifying wax. In step 2, stir the aloe vera gel into the melted wax until combined. For step 3, introduce the sweet almond oil and continue stirring. Executing these first 3 steps precisely is what establishes the foundational lipid-water matrix required to hold the cream together. In step 4, add cetearyl alcohol and propylene glycol. Moving to step 5, introduce the preservative and vitamin E, stirring until perfectly smooth. At step 6, thoroughly integrate the niacinamide. For step 7, remove from heat, letting it cool before adding fragrance. This specific sequence timing and the controlled temperature drop ensure that our active ingredients do not get degraded by any residual heat. In step 8, pour the active mixture into clean containers to set, then store in a cool, dry place. At the bottom of the production panel, our strict target for ideal pH is 5.0 to 5.5. Checking packaging options, we have 4 geometries: cream jars, squeeze tubes, pump jars for smaller volumes, and wide mouth jars for larger ones. Maintaining airtight, opaque containment and proper pH balance are the final requirements to guarantee the product achieves its full 6 to 12-month shelf life. Referencing the estimated yield panel on our formulation sheet, this 1 kilogram protocol produces exactly 10 100-gram jars. Just keep in mind that your actual physical yield might vary slightly depending on handling loss and evaporation during production. This formulation also offers strong commercial viability. As shown in the business opportunity panel, it requires minimal startup capital while offering high profit potential for home-based operations. Before distribution or personal use, always adhere to safety guidelines. This is for external use only, and a patch test should be performed first. If you are ready to begin, order complete product kits and starter materials by reaching out to the contact email provided in the description. Next time, we will walk through the exact parameters for the Aloe Vera Deodorant roll-on protocol. Mastering this specific foundational emulsion provides the technical skills you need to build a consistent, scalable cosmetic production process.